How to delete page in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete the pages or blank page in Google Docs. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs file and I have some content here and I have total 6 page here. Okay, and at last we have blank page. So if you want to delete this, we need to just click the end page just before that blank page. Okay, just select that the page before that blank page. Okay, now hit the delete button. You can see the blank page has been deleted. But if you want to delete the middle of page, okay, so now Google Docs automatically adjusts the content. If I want to delete this page, I have to just delete that content, then other content will be adjusted automatically on okay, on that page. So you can see now we have 5 page. So that is how we need to just hit that page. Okay, now we have 4 page. Okay, so just find out that blank page and we need to just hit the bottom of the page before that blank page, and we need to just hit the backspace or delete. Okay, then this page will be delete. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.